I'm often asked, why do I tell people to work on your sales process first? Okay. In fact, sometimes I'm accused of giving backwards marketing advice. Most business consultants, marketing consultants, and so forth, if you say, well, I want to improve my sales, I want to increase my sales, the first thing they say is, well, we have to increase our leads. All right. What is your closing ratio? Here's my closing ratio. Great. We're going to divide that into how many sales you want, and we're going to figure out how many leads you need to generate. But I take a little bit different approach. I suggest that first, before you start a lot of lead generation or a lot more lead generation, that we first figure out a good sales process so that we know that we're going to have a good number of those new leads actually convert into clients. Okay, so let's take a look at why I say that. So first of all, let's make some assumptions. First, let's say you have 80 leads coming in a year. Closing ratio is 30%. You're closing 3 out of 10 prospects, which, by the way, is not terrible. Many of the clients that we start working with are at 20%, so they're closing 2 out of 10 or 1 out of 5, okay? But you're closing 3 out of 10. Out of the 80 leads, you land 24 jobs. Let's say your average sale is $40,000, so you have annual revenue of just under $1 million, okay? Now, let's say we work on your sales process a little bit and we make some slight improvements. Still have your 80 leads coming in, but now instead of closing 3 out of 10, you're going to close 4 out of 10. So you land 32 jobs instead of 24 jobs, okay? Now, I want you to notice here that you did not spend a lot more time preparing and presenting proposals, designs, plans, whatever your process entails. You had the same number of leads that you were working with, okay? So not a dramatic increase in the amount of work on your end to get those additional sales. Average sales stays at $40,000. What happens to our annual revenue? We now have almost $1.3 million in annual revenue. Okay, so just a small move in your closing ratio, basically 10 points, okay? Instead of 3 out of 10, you're closing 4 out of 10, is going to generate a 33% increase in your annual revenue. You know, little incremental changes in a few key numbers within your business can really have a dramatic impact. That's what I want to get to.